Good evening, traders. It's November 26, 2024, and I'm here to break down today's key moves in the Forex market and provide insights for tomorrow's trading session. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting out, stick around, there's plenty to unpack. Let's dive right in. Today, the Forex market had some interesting dynamics. Starting with the euro to US dollar, we saw the pair trading in a relatively tight range earlier in the day, staying below the 1.0900 level. This was largely driven by mixed economic data from the Eurozone, with German GDP growth surprising to the upside but French consumer confidence hitting a two-year low. The pound sterling to US dollar struggled to maintain upward momentum as hawkish comments from the Federal Reserve kept the dollar strong. Sterling faced additional pressure from weaker-than-expected retail sales in the UK. Meanwhile, the US dollar to Japanese yen surged past the 149.50 mark, fueled by a strong rebound in US Treasury yields. This pair remains highly sensitive to interest rate expectations, and today was no exception. Let's talk about the news events that shaped today's trading session. The biggest headline was the revised US GDP numbers for Q3, which came in stronger than expected at 4.5%. This reinforced market speculation that the Fed could maintain higher rates for longer. On the other side of the Atlantic, the European Central Bank hinted at potential dovish moves in their upcoming meeting, citing ongoing concerns over stagnating growth. And from Asia, we saw some unexpected intervention chatter from Japanese officials, but as of now, no actual intervention has been confirmed. Now, let's look at the technical setup for the major currency pairs. The pair is holding just above the 1.0850 support level. If we break below this, the next key level to watch is 1.0800. On the upside, resistance is at 1.0920. The RSI indicates the pair is in neutral territory, so we could see consolidation before the next major move. The pound is sitting precariously near 1.2600. A break below could open the door to 1.2550. Momentum indicators suggest a bearish bias, but watch for any surprises from tomorrow's UK economic calendar. The uptrend remains intact, with resistance at 150.00 and support at 148.80. If Treasury yields continue climbing, this pair could test fresh highs. Looking ahead to tomorrow, here's what traders need to keep an eye on. Scheduled for release at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, this report could significantly impact the dollar, especially if it surprises in either direction. This will be critical for the euro as the ECB weighs its next moves. Expect volatility in euro pairs around this announcement. This could add further fuel to the US dollar to Japanese yen rally if the numbers disappoint. Key levels for November 27, 2024, euro to US dollar, support at 1.0820, resistance at 1.0940. Pound sterling to US dollar, support at 1.2580, resistance at 1.2650. US dollar to Japanese yen, support at 148.70, resistance at 150.20. Here are a few strategies to consider as you plan your trades for tomorrow. Use tight stop losses and reduce your position sizes if trading during major economic announcements. For pairs like US dollar to Japanese yen that are trending strongly, look for pullbacks to enter rather than jumping in at extended levels. Consider exploring cross pairs like euro to pound sterling or AUD/NZD for less dollar-driven volatility. That's all for today's recap and forecast. Remember, the Forex market is dynamic and unpredictable, so always manage your risk and stay informed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for daily market insights. Good luck trading, and I'll see you tomorrow.